Welcome WPP stars here in my beautiful restaurant Ocean in Vita, Parc, Portugal, Algarve. Next dish we're gonna do for you is a dish we bought that year on the menu. It's actually pretty recent. We do 6 days aged wild lutemer from here, from the coast. We buy them, we just gut them, we take the inside out, the guts or the insides, and we hang them for 6 days so the skin gets more crunchy and the meat gets more intense. Then we just take some braised leek, we dress it up like this. How long is the fish taking?
30 seconds.
30 seconds. I put in the middle a little bit leek puree. You know, we use the whiter parts to dress, and out of the green parts we make that puree with a little bit burn or set, leek, onions, and a tiny bit of garlic, and we cook it down and we make a very fine puree. Then we have here from our friend CAVIAR, a nice kernel of caviar. Here we have we're gonna finish it up then on the top with some white kombu seaweed which we buy. We cut it in very thin stripes, and we just fry it out very little, so you have a little bit crunchy, a little bit umami. Gives the whole dish a very interesting flavor. Next is I'm gonna dress it up with a little bit of wild juniper stock. So we went to the west coast, to the west coast, direction Sagres. When you go up to the Alentejo, there you find a lot of wild juniper berries. They're a little bit different. They are a little bit greener, a little bit bigger, and out of that and some normal juniper we cook a stock. Let me just dress it up a little bit so it should be not a hot dish, you know, for our temperatures here. Yeah, it's slightly warm here on the Algarve. So that's before we do a dish like a vinaigrette, you know, it should not be too hot. Also for Italian, it's nicer when the dish is not super hot. And then in the end of the day, we just put a beautiful slice of fish. Die Palette mit Öl hier noch. Okay, work. Just top it up with a beautiful. Oh, now fuck it up a little bit. So, a beautiful small kernel of caviar. It just goes in the middle here. Try to keep it actually pretty simple. It's just 3 or 4 flavors. A little bit of leek mayonnaise. We make the leek mayonnaise out of a small grilled barbecued leek. Oil. And just on top, a little decoration. Gives it this nice umami crunchiness. And this is